Hello pattern lovers, welcome to OJ Patterns. Today we'll be working on frilled collars. Collars with frills, or they are also called partially rolled collars. They fall but they don't fall fully because of the fullness that is added to it. So we'll be working on frilled collar. Okay, so for frilled collar, the first thing you want to do is get your slope pad. We have a CF and a CB here. Next, construct a flat collar of required shape. Referencing the first page at 70, on page 70. So that's what we'll do. Remember how we did our Peter Pan collar that we have to place back and front together and place shoulder of back bodies to shoulder of front bodies, neck points touching each other, outer shoulder overlapping by 2 cm. So remember how we did our Peter Pan? You have to get your sloper, place it on a pattern paper, place them shoulder to shoulder like this, so your neck point would meet. Your neck point will meet, and then you will lap by 2 cm. You lap the SP, that's the shoulder point. So this is the part that you're going to lap. So for a standard measurement, you will lap by 2 cm. So you measure 2 cm here and mark on the SP. So that's for full measurement. That is standard measurement. And then just ensure the neck point meets this way, and then the shoulder is lapping by 2 cm. So you hold it down, and then you trace. So I'm going to trace. Traced out, and then I'll bring it out. Please don't forget to always indicate this is where the neck point is. So bring it out. This is our CV, that's the back, and this is the center front. Okay, so I'll just draw out this perfectly. Okay, so I've squared it out. Now if you check the picture, you realize that the frilled collar is coming out like a V-neck, so I have to drop down the neckline a bit for the front. So I'll drop it down by like 5 cm. Okay, so we have to construct it more like a V. So I'll drop it down by like 5 cm. Next, for the center back, now for this, I'll work with 5 cm here, 5 cm coming around from the back towards the front, 5 cm till it gets to the shoulder part. This is the 5 cm coming out all the way. Okay, so from here now we want to connect it downwards. So first of all, connect this neckline from this neck point. Remember, it's like a V in front, so but it has little curve, so I'll just use this to connect the neck first. That's the V. Now this is it. This is the neck coming forward. Alright, so next, remember we're using 5 cm for this curve. So from here we have to connect it to come downwards a bit. It needs to come towards the depth of the neckline. So it's a choice. Use your French curve. So it needs to meet the neckline because this is the measurement that was used. So I used the depth as 5 cm. So it's going from the back to the front. So it's one piece going from the back to the front. Okay. So we have this. Next, what we're gonna do is cut out, and then we can slash and spread. for the frills. Okay, next is to divide into 7 sections. This is it cut out. This is the center back still there. So you can divide into 7 sections, or I'll just fold to have the lines that I would work with. I'm trying to find them and open up. So all I need to do is work with the lines. I'll spread them out. Okay, so I've marked it out. Next, what I want to do is cut up lines and open till neck makes almost a full circle. So we know this is the neck part. This would help us. So I'm cutting from the bottom to the neckline, and then we're going to place them and spread out on another paper. You want to be careful so you don't cut through. And then we spread. So it says spread to almost a full circle. So the more we spread, the more frills we would have. So that's what we'll be doing next. So this is it, spread out. And we want to complete the curve, complete the shape. So connect with your curve to ensure a smooth edge. Okay, so this is it, and we're done with our first collar pattern. So this is the center back, so we'll always indicate the center back, and this is it. So next is to cut it out, place it on fabric and broiler. Now we're done cutting out. Here we have the first color. So this is the first color, the center back, the front, and this is the neckline. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.